Lisa Spelman, CEO of Cornelis Networks. We are standing at the precipice of historic technology innovation. Every day, our headlines are filled with new scientific advancements unlocked with high-performance computing. New discoveries around protein folding, exoplanet research, and fusion energy are just a few examples of insights that shape our understanding of both ourselves and our world. In the AI arena, the dizzying advancement of LLMs and agentic computing models are re-architecting productivity in real time. For example, with OpenAI's latest GPT delivering advanced reasoning and deep research capabilities, we are seeing what is possible in AI redefined. At the same time, model efficiency is advancing, providing a host of options at the fingertips of businesses, and in doing so, expanding the total market opportunity for AI inference adoption across global enterprise. This moment opens up a new frontier of business productivity and monetization, and fuels a historic investment in data center infrastructure, with estimates of over $1 trillion projected for generative AI alone, and over $100 billion of investment projected in HPC by 2028. The race is on for maximizing application performance, yet infrastructure is significantly underutilized, revealing the world's greatest efficiency challenge. With rising power requirements thwarting advancements of data center capacity and challenging global power grids, it's not enough to deploy more power-hungry GPUs to unlock this constraint. We must ensure maximum compute utilization by delivering improved infrastructure across the data center, ensuring expensive GPUs aren't stranded and idle, waiting for data to process. In fact, today, we are leaving compute stranded with an average of 35% utilization in AI and 50% in HPC. I think it's astounding to realize that a $50,000 GPU can sit idle 65% of the time in a modern training cluster, and it's not just one GPU. This challenge is pressing every element of infrastructure past its limits, requiring us to rethink the technologies and standards we've relied on for decades. I joined Cornelis because, as a veteran of the data center market, I had firsthand experience seeing how the network had become an existential bottleneck for advancing compute. I could see that the grand challenge ahead for the industry was unleashing GPU performance and data center efficiency through re-architecture of scale-out networks. The network architectures being used today were invented decades ago, before the age of AI and highly parallel workloads. While legacy technologies have served us well, today's HPC and AI applications require a scale that was not yet imagined all those decades ago. These scale challenges are forcing operators to over-provision compute to work around the network. Those responsible for delivering infrastructure have an imperative to design smarter. And at Cornelis, we've created an alternative path ahead focused on creating the world's leading scale-out networking technology unencumbered by challenges faced by decades-old architectures. Today, we are advancing our vision with the launch of our CN5000, the industry's highest performing end-to-end networking solution, purpose-built to maximize AI and HPC performance. The product portfolio includes our SuperNIC, our switch, and a director-class switch system, all built using open-source, industry-standard software to ease adoption and usability. We are delivering to customers today with broad availability from all major OEMs starting in Q3. At Cornelis, we design the entire end-to-end system with performance in mind. This starts with both our switch and our NIC ASICs and includes the boards and systems as well. A fully integrated solution that offers seamless compatibility with leading platforms from AMD, Intel, and NVIDIA. The CN5000 uniquely addresses the grand efficiency challenge for AI and HPC by delivering maximum performance paired with a lossless and congestion-free architecture. We call this network-led performance acceleration, turning the scale-out network into a force multiplier for training speed, inference responsiveness, and simulation throughput. This translates to application-level benefits, including exceptional AI performance and scalability, delivering faster training times for complex LLM models with near linear scaling and improving test time compute efficiency for real-time inferencing. Built on the Omni Path architecture, We are delivering 6x faster collective communications compared to Rocky Ethernet. Our solution delivers the industry's leading HPC performance. In fact, CN5000 outperforms InfiniBand NDR with 2x higher message rates, 35% lower latency, and up to 30% faster simulation times, driven by its advanced congestion-free architecture. Our end-to-end solution scales to an industry-leading 500,000 GPUs today, with support for over 2 million connected GPUs with our future 1.6T solution, providing scale headroom for tomorrow's deployments. So, how did we pull that off? Our deep understanding of HPC and AI applications, including where these workload classes converge and where they have unique challenges, informs every decision we've made in architecting our solutions. We've invested in performance capabilities that deliver in both environments, leveraging knowledge gained from deep collaborations with our customers across scientific institutions, governments, and enterprises, including all the major European automakers, leading energy companies around the world, and cloud service providers. We have spent more than a decade architecting hardware and software features to accelerate the movement of every packet in the network. I want to highlight a few of the features that have the biggest impact on our customers' application performance. First is our lossless and congestion-free operations. In the world of AI and HPC, your data is everything, and losing packets when traffic increases leads to the need to resend them, which then further builds up congestion and results in an overall slowdown in network performance that ultimately leaves your compute sitting idle. Think of it just like a traffic jam trying to get into a concert parking lot when there is only one road in. Our industry-leading congestion management technology is built on a stable of features that ensure connected endpoints on the network are ready to send and have capacity to receive data. It routes and reroutes traffic instantaneously based on signs of congestion. It smooths traffic spikes and prioritizes your most critical data. We also deliver improved system resiliency with dynamic lane scaling and optimal link protection, helping clusters recover gracefully from failures and further extend the time between checkpoints. The result is a world where your compute can work harder for you. We've fine-tuned our rate to half bandwidth, delivering the industry's leading performance, especially critical for massive data transfers required within AI, unlocking reduced time to train and a much-needed improvement of compute efficiency, essential for hyperscaler and neo-cloud environments. CN5000's ability to unlock network scale and performance constraints will unleash higher GPU utilization and bring balance to compute clusters, allowing customers to achieve more with every dollar of infrastructure investment. When considering the massive AI inference deployments happening now, the need for efficiency grows even more acute due to the high throughput, low latency, and fault tolerance requirements inherent within test time compute and tournament voting techniques that are growing in popularity. With GPU spending scaling beyond $300 billion by 2030 and global grid capacity constraints to their limits, the impact of this technology provides an essential path forward for our customers. And we aren't alone in seeing this. I'm happy to share that industry leaders from across the compute domain are collaborating with us to drive deployments of this essential technology, working with us to deliver upon our commitment to universal interoperability with choice of CPU, GPU, storage tier, and software frameworks. We're also feeding advanced features into the Ultra Ethernet Consortium today to bridge the performance gap between traditional networks and the demands of scale-out computing environments. The choice is clear. If you're ready to unshackle yourself from the legacy constraints of alternative network architectures and break free from cookie-cutter offerings, it's time to deploy Cornelis' CN5000 solutions. Let's build smarter and work together to architect a configuration designed to your exact specifications, unleashing the tremendous opportunity represented by HPC and AI innovation. Check out more information on our website and engage with our team today. Thank you.